Easy and affordable homemade spicy shrimp pasta for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you. We'll be making a delicious and affordable homemade spicy shrimp pasta. Perfect for beginners, this recipe is not only easy but also budget-friendly. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for our spicy shrimp pasta. 250 grams of spaghetti. 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 1 can, 400 grams, of diced tomatoes. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, adjust to taste. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Salt and black pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. Grated Parmesan cheese, optional. Cooking the pasta. Let's start by boiling our spaghetti. Follow the package instructions for the cooking time. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt to the boiling water to season the pasta. While our pasta is cooking, let's move on to preparing our spicy shrimp sauce. Preparing the spicy shrimp sauce. In a pan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once heated, add the minced garlic and chopped onions. Sauté until the onions are translucent and the garlic is fragrant. Now, it's time to add our star ingredient, the shrimp. Make sure they're cleaned and deveined. Cook the shrimp until they turn pink and opaque. Creating the spicy tomato sauce. Once the shrimp are cooked, add a can of diced tomatoes to the pan. Season with red pepper flakes, dried oregano, salt, and black pepper. This allows the flavors to meld together, creating a rich and spicy sauce. Bringing it all together. Our pasta should be cooked by now. Drain it and add the cooked spaghetti directly into the spicy shrimp sauce. Toss everything together to ensure the pasta is coated evenly with that delicious flavor. And there you have it, our homemade spicy shrimp pasta is ready to be served. Garnish with fresh parsley and, if you like, a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for that extra indulgence. Here are some of the advantages of our homemade spicy shrimp pasta. Customizable spice level. 1. By preparing the dish at home, you have full control over the spice level. 1. Adjust the amount of red pepper flakes to suit your personal preference, making it perfect for spice enthusiasts and those who prefer milder flavors alike. Fresh and quality ingredients. 1. When you make spicy shrimp pasta at home, you can select the freshest and highest quality ingredients. 1. Fresh shrimp, ripe tomatoes, and aromatic herbs contribute to a more flavorful and nutritious dish compared to store-bought alternatives. Cost-effective. 1. Homemade meals are often more budget-friendly than dining out or buying pre-packaged meals. 1. Purchasing ingredients in larger quantities for multiple servings can be more economical, especially when compared to the cost of restaurant or takeout versions. Healthier option. 1. Controlling the ingredients allows you to make healthier choices. 1. You can use whole wheat or alternative pasta, choose low-sodium tomatoes, and control the amount of oil and seasoning. 1. This empowers you to create a nutritious dish without sacrificing flavor. No hidden preservatives or additives. 1. Pre-packaged and restaurant dishes may contain hidden preservatives, additives, or excessive amounts of sodium. 1. By cooking at home, you can ensure that your spicy shrimp pasta is free from unnecessary chemicals and artificial additives. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. This easy and affordable homemade spicy shrimp pasta is perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a quick and tasty meal without breaking the bank. Give it a try, and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking! Thank you very much spicy shrimp pasta lovers.